Dun, 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 dun. Damn. What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's been a while. It's been a long time. It's been like, what, a month or two? I haven't uploaded videos. Well, there's a lot of reasons. First, the weather. Weather's been ugly so far. It's been raining for the past month, so I didn't really have a chance to vlog. And since my car doesn't belong in a garage, so I feel lazy to vlog. It's just, I don't want to do it because it's raining. I don't want to get wet. And second is the daylight savings. So the daylight savings fucked me up. It's because every time I go home after work, it's already too dark. And every weekends I do some other shit. But yeah, so we are finally back. It's been a while. I'm so excited. But anyway, two things that we're gonna do for the car. The first one, we're gonna fix my coolant problem. My car's been leaking coolant, so I don't know what's going on. I have the chase base radiator, but it keeps leaking. It keeps leaking from the radiator cap. That's already my second cap, so I'm guessing that there's still air in the system. That's why it's leaking. So we're gonna go and try to fix that. And then second thing is we're gonna fix my boost problem. Well, it's not really a problem. It's just on the RB25s, the boost should kick in at like around 3,000 RPM or like around 3,500. But mine kicks in at like 445, so it's kind of late. And I figured while I was watching some of the YouTubers that has the RB25 is that they have a problem with the VTC solenoid. So let me show you guys. So this thing right here, so this is the VTC solenoid. So what it does is it's like a VTEC. So on a certain RPM, I think the timing advances it, and then from there you could the boost kicks in like early. So I've noticed that because I was watching YouTube and I was watching Samit. If you guys don't know Samit, go watch him. He's a YouTuber from he lives in Japan right now, but he's from Australia. So he got an RB25 and all that stuff. There's two things that you could test the VT solenoid if it's working properly. First is you could hook up your computer and then see from the data log if the VTC solenoid is it's working. So on a certain RPM, it's controlled by the PCM. So on a certain RPM, it's supposed to open and then lets through fluid through the VTC actuator, and it acts as like a VTEC. So just look it up, VTC solenoid for Nissan, and then you'll get what it does. But so two things that you could do this. First test is you could hook up your computer, check your data log, and then see if it's working. And then the second test that you could do is, since I don't have a computer that I could hook up to the PCM, the other way to do it is you hook up a positive cable on one end and then ground it, basically, because it's only a 2-wire, so it's basically only controlled by the PCM. So if you do that, it should click, and we'll do the test right now. Woo! So first thing you want to do is obviously disconnect the connector, and then why is it wet? Oh, it's fucking cool, man. I hate this shit. So disconnect it, and then just use a wrench and then just loosen it. Finally, after battling for like 30 minutes, it's finally out. So we're gonna do the tests and I'll show you guys what it's supposed to do when the computer tells it to like engage it. So I'll get the new one, and then we'll compare the two, or we'll do the tests. This is power. Oh wait, maybe the other way around. Power. Ground. See, nothing. I got the new one right here. So, which is, you can hear it, but this is power. See that? Hear that? Yeah. So it means that thing's working. So the other one's not working. So let's put this bad boy. So let's put this bad boy on there, and then we'll test drive it. So VTC is on the car. It's on the. I put in the new VTC. Now what we're gonna do next is we're just gonna bleed the coolant and then go for a test drive. After 30 minutes, all the bubbles are gone. You hear me? So we're gonna do next is just test drive the car and then see how it feels. I'm excited. I feel like it's gonna be a lot faster. A lot faster. I don't even know if you guys can see me, but I'm just eyeballing it. Alright. I'm scared. Alright, let's go for a drive. Oh shit, I forgot. So I think I turned down the boost. Just 1 PSI. Alright, here we go. Highway. Oh my god, this shit pulls. Fucking great. Holy shit. So before, when you step, so when you're on boost and then you step on the gas pedal, it lags like hella bad. But right now, once you're on boost and once you hit a certain RPM, it fucking goes. Holy shit. That VTC solenoid makes a big difference. Holy shit. Go to first, second. Ready? Fucking breaking traction, dog. Woohoo! Holy shit! Holy shit! Feels way better. Way better. Oh my god. Holy shit. Alright, now it's a fucking real RB. This thing is a real RB now. Holy shit. I don't even know if I'm recording, but fuck. Dude, that thing rips. Holy shit. With the VTC solenoid, it makes a huge difference. Huge difference. When I had the old one, I couldn't spin out on a first gear. I can't lose traction on first gear, but when I oh my god, when I put on the new VTC solenoid, dude, luckily I have open diff, so if I had a welded diff, it will be like smoking everywhere. But yeah, holy shit, I'm surprised. I'm really surprised. It's amazing. I'm starting to love my RV again. Lately I've been like trying to like figure out what I'm gonna do with the RV, because you know it's slow and like fucking coolant is leaking. So I feel like right now I'm loving the RV again. So, and that's it for you guys. I hope you guys like this video, and I hope it helped you out. I hope this video helps you out. You know, car runs fine now. It's, you know, I feel like it's a lot faster now. But yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up, you know, and if you guys are not subscribed yet, make sure to hit the subscribe, you know. We're on 45 subscribers right now, so thank you guys. I really appreciate the support, and we're gonna keep growing. So I hope you guys like this video. Again, make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out. You hear me?